5 Crucial Things About TSP Rollover to Gold IRA After Retirement Plan. Planning your retirement carefully is important, especially when considering a TSP rollover to Gold IRA after retirement plan. The Thrift Savings Plan, TSP, is known for its low costs, but some retirees prefer a Gold IRA for more control and diversification. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Before making a decision, here are the key things you need to understand. 1. Understand the benefits. A Gold IRA offers more flexibility compared to TSP. While TSP focuses on limited fund options, a Gold IRA allows you to diversify into precious metals and other assets. This can help protect your savings from inflation and market volatility. 2. Know the rollover methods. There are 2 main ways to complete a TSP rollover to Gold IRA after retirement plan. Indirect rollover. You withdraw funds and must redeposit them into a Gold IRA within 60 days to avoid taxes and penalties. Direct rollover. Funds are transferred directly between accounts without you handling the money, making it safer and simpler. 3. Be aware of taxes. Taxes depend on how you transfer your funds. Rolling over from a traditional TSP to a traditional IRA usually avoids immediate taxes. However, switching between traditional and Roth accounts may trigger tax obligations. Planning properly can help reduce unnecessary costs. 4. Consider age rules. Age plays a big role in your rollover decision. You can withdraw from TSP without penalties starting at age 55, if retired, while IRA withdrawals typically require you to be at least 59 and a half. Understanding these rules helps you avoid early withdrawal penalties. 5. Get professional advice. A financial advisor or tax professional can guide you through the process. They help ensure your TSP rollover to Gold IRA after retirement plan is done correctly, minimizing risks and maximizing your long-term returns. A TSP rollover to Gold IRA after retirement plan can be a smart move if you want more control and diversification in your retirement savings. However, it requires careful planning, understanding of tax rules, and the right timing. By following these key points, you can make a more confident and informed decision for your financial future. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.